Friends, நாம் இப்போ worksheet 11 air lesson பார்க்கலாம். Plants use gas for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis என்ன process? It prepares its own food. தன்னுடைய உணவை தானே தயாரிச்சுக்கும். அப்போ அதுக்கு என்ன gas இங்க தேவை? என்னென்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? ஆக்சிஜன், நைட்ரஜன், கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு, கார்பன் மோனாக்சைடு. ஸோ கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு. In seas, lakes and rivers, the life of the living organism is more comfortable with dissolved oxygen. This may be due to dash less solubility of nitrogen, the presence of small amount of carbon dioxide, higher solubility of oxygen than nitrogen. Oxygen is about 2 times more soluble in water than nitrogen. Oxygen has the same solubility as nitrogen. So here the correct option நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வரும் அப்படின்னா higher solubility of oxygen than nitrogen. ஏன் அப்படின்னா oxygen is about 2 times more soluble in water than nitrogen. Dash percentage of oxygen is present in the atmosphere. எவ்வளோ percentage? 21. 78 அப்படின்னா nitrogen. So 21 percentage of oxygen is present in the atmosphere. Oxygen reacts with sodium metal and gives sodium hydroxide, sodium oxide, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. Here the correct option is sodium oxide. Fifth one, the chemical name for rust is dash: ferrous oxide, hydrated ferric oxide, ferrous sulfate, ferrous ammonium sulfate. And here the correct option is hydrated ferric oxide. Sixth one, find the nitrogen compound which is not used as an explosive. TNT, trinitrotoluene, gunpowder, ammonia, nitroglycerin. Here ammonia is not used as an explosive. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Sea drivers carry oxygen cylinders with them because there is no oxygen in water. There is more amount of carbon dioxide. There is more concentration of nitrogen. Human lungs cannot take oxygen dissolved in water. Here the correct option is human lungs cannot take oxygen dissolved in water. Niter is dash: potassium nitrate, nitrogen oxide, calcium nitrite, calcium nitrate. Niter அப்படின்னா potassium nitrate. 10th one, nitrogen is used in the preservation of food because it affects only the flavor. The byproducts formed are not harmful. It does not react with food. It is lighter than air. The correct option is it does not react with food. 11th one, people prefer nitrogen over compressed air in tires of vehicles because tire pressure will remain more constant for more time. Saving a small amount in fuel reduces tire maintenance cost. All the above. Here the correct option is all the above. 12th one, find out the process which leads to artificial fixation of nitrogen in land. Burying dead animals under the trees, planting nitrogen rich plants like beans and peas, adding nitrogen rich fertilizers like NPK fertilizers, adding compost manure to the soil. Here the correct option is adding nitrogen rich fertilizers like NPK fertilizers. 13th, in high temperature thermometers, nitrogen is used to fill the space above mercury because it reduces evaporation of mercury. It makes mercury bond tighter. It helps to show the correct temperature. It changes its temperature according to the temperature of mercury. Its correct option is it reduces evaporation of mercury. 14th, aerated water is nothing but dash: air dissolved in water, oxygen dissolved in water, carbon dioxide dissolved in water, nitrogen dissolved in water. Here the correct option is carbon dioxide dissolved in water. ஏன் அப்படின்னா சோடா பாட்டிலெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம ஷேக் பண்ணோன்னா வெளியில் வரக்கூடிய கேஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னா கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு. ஸோ அதை தான் நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்கிறோம், aerated water. 15, the main source for the increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is photosynthesis, deforestation, respiration, solar radiation. Solar radiation is the correct option. One of the major causes of global warming is the constant increase in the amount of dash gas in the atmosphere. என்னென்ன கேஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? சல்ஃபர் டை ஆக்சைடு, நைட்ரஜன் டை ஆக்சைடு, கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு, sulfur trioxide. So here the correct option is carbon dioxide. 19. Match the following. Nitrogen fixation, converting nitrogen into useful nitrogen compounds. Solid carbon dioxide is used in dry ice. Oxygen is used as a rocket fuel. Carbon dioxide is used in the preparation of aerated drinks. 18th. I am prepared by Haber process using nitrogen. I am mostly used in the manufacture of fertilizers. Who am I? So fertilizer அப்படின்னாவே என்னது அமோனியா, நைட்ரஜன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ இட் இஸ் அமோனியா. ஏன்னா அமோனியாவோட ஃபார்முலா என்ன? NH3. நைட்ரஜன் இஸ் present. I turn lime water milky. I am used in fire extinguishers. Who am I? Fire extinguishers அப்படின்னாவே என்னது? கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு CO2.